Hello students, I'm just trying to watch transfer section of human rectum that with the help of compound microscope, how it will be seen under a powerful microscope by high magnification. You can watch it, you can show the zoomed portion of the transfer section of human rectum just like this. This is basically human rectum, how it appears. This is the basically recorded of permanent slide that I have seen recently, and I have captured this video.
ऐसे चेन फॉर्म में तो नहीं रहता, प्रोटीन फोल्ड होता है, तो सेकेंडरी फोल्डिंग होता है, अल्फा हेलिक्स हेलिकल होता है, बीटा शीट होता है.
And you can also adjust these things by using certain parts just like this. You can operate the microscope. Thank you.